Hey everyone, great to see you here. Today we're diving into one of the most controversial topics in nutrition: fat. Is it your friend or your foe? For decades, we've been told that fat, especially the kind from animal products, is dangerous, that it clogs arteries, causes heart attacks, and that we should replace it with grains, vegetable oils, and low-fat everything. But is that really true? Well, let's rewind a bit and see where this fat phobia actually started. It all traces back to the 1950s, after President Eisenhower had a heart attack. Everyone freaked out. The government, doctors, and scientists were desperate to find a cause for the surge in heart disease. Enter Ancel Keys, a researcher who published what's now known as the 7 Countries Study. He claimed that countries where people ate more fat had higher rates of heart disease. Sounds convincing, right? Here's the problem. Ancel Keys cherry-picked the data. He had information from over 20 countries, but only included the 7 that supported his theory. When you look at all the data, the connection between fat intake and heart disease pretty much disappears. But by then, the low-fat movement had already taken off like wildfire. Governments changed food guidelines, food companies pumped out low-fat, high-sugar products, and guess what happened? Obesity, diabetes, and heart disease skyrocketed. By the way, if you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to help me continue creating more content like this for you. Meanwhile, there was another voice, a guy named John Yudkin, waving a huge red flag. He warned that it wasn't fat causing all these problems. It was sugar. Yudkin's research showed a strong link between sugar intake and heart disease. But he got drowned out. The food industry had a lot more to gain by demonizing fat and selling sugary, processed foods labeled as heart-healthy. And unfortunately, history sided with profits over public health. Now, let's get into what fat really does for you. First of all, fat is essential for your body to absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Without fat, your body literally can't access some of the most critical nutrients for your health. Fat also makes up your brain, your hormones, your cell membranes. It's literally part of who you are. When it comes to your heart, healthy fats, especially those from animal sources like grass-fed beef, pasture-raised eggs, and wild-caught fish, help reduce inflammation, build strong cell walls, and provide long-lasting energy without causing blood sugar spikes. Compare that to plant-based fats, like industrial seed oils, soybean, corn, canola. Those oils are heavily processed, easily oxidized, and can trigger inflammation in the body, which is the real starting point for many chronic diseases, including heart disease. So not all fats are created equal. Natural fats from animals and fruits like avocados are totally different from factory-made oils that barely resemble anything found in nature. And while we're at it, let's talk about carbs and sugar. Eating lots of refined carbs and sugars leads to insulin resistance, higher triglycerides, and inflammation, all of which are major risk factors for heart disease. Sugar also promotes the formation of small, dense LDL particles, the type of cholesterol that's actually harmful, whereas healthy fats often increase the larger, fluffier LDL particles that aren't nearly as dangerous. So, if we're being honest with the science, fat, especially from real, whole foods, is your friend. It's sugar and processed carbs that are the real foes. It's crazy how long it took for the truth to start coming out, but better late than never, right? Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this eye-opening, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into food myths, and share this with someone who's still afraid of butter. See you next time, and remember, real food, real fat, real health.